implemented in the start menu. So basically, it's cool, search stuff, but sometimes it search a bit too much. You can basically, when you type / like this, it will be searching on, when you enter a UNC, it will search on the network, so it will query, it will ask for NetBIOS, say, oh, I connected to this machine 20 days ago, this guy is entering a UNC, let's see if I can find it again, if it's working. And if you have an NDNS spoofer, which is less than 20 lines of Python, you will simply answer, yes, it's me, and I'm right here, so just connect. And it will connect actually without you clicking on enter on whatever. It will simply connect to put a cache of the service. So this will basically trigger the bug. Should. Great. So we have a full control over EIP here. Yeah. Yeah. So the bug discovered with this type, just with the dumb fuzzing. I mean, no structured fuzzing so far. On Windows Vista, like this month, next patch Tuesday, this bug actually that I just showed on the SMB client will be patched next patch Tuesday, like this one. SMB this year RPC 5 nil pointer the reference will be patched also. This bug is only on Vista. Basically, if you simply take one character out of a DC packet, you'll be able to trigger the nil pointer the reference. The one that you just saw is the trend2 buffer overflow. And this month here also will have the NPT, the TDA loop. We'll have a session setup SMBv2 DOS patch also this month. Also was in February, MS 10006 with the heap overflow on the negotiate protocol on the response also in the client side, and which also become a race condition, exactly the same bug, become a race condition on 7 and Vista. And the last bug is on the TDI client. There's a DOS also, it will be patched this month too. Server side, there's a SMBv2 bug, which has been patched a long time ago now. There's a pull overflow that you just saw, server side. Samba, there's a nil pointer, the reference actually was like the hardest bug to find with dumb fuzzing. Basically, you were sending just a flag, flag 1 with Unicode support no, and sending a session set up with a Unicode strings, make a nil pointer with the reference. This was the hardest bug to find. And also, this bug on Samba will be patched today or tomorrow, something like that. Initialize variable. And on network, which is kind of unfair, username Stack Overflow, basic Stack Overflow, 200 character on the username, boom. And it will be patched in September, something like that. Anyway. So yeah, so first round fuzzing. I mean, we didn't get in a real game. I mean, it's just a front. Well, so yeah, each bug took less than 2 minutes. While fuzzing, I gotta admit that the time to reach that function and use that approach with the PK database takes more time, but basically it's user-assisted fuzzing, so you just use logics. Takes time, but while fuzzing, the process of fuzzing is very fast. It's very, very, very fast, because usually all the packets are pretty small. It's less than 300 characters most of the time, so it goes very fast. Client-side fuzzing is very slow, because the problem is to automate the fuzzing, because you want the machine, like the Windows 7 or the Windows whatever, connect to your fake server. So basically you need to create some scripts. There's some library, some API, internal window that you can use for that. But so far the best way that I found is just to make a multi-thread Python script with choice between NetView and NetUse, with some random characters at the end of the path, and just connect on your server with a loop. It goes maybe 3 packets per second, but basically still works. And I think there's way more bug in the client side part of SMB than on the server side. There's also work has been done